Hi my beautettes, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I look a little crazy, and that is because I already did this eye. I kind of wanted to go ahead and just outline and see how everything comes out and performs. I'm sorry if you hear any noise. Like I said in my previous videos, my whole building has just been constructing. My apartment's been constructing, other apartments been constructing. So once again, FYI, I know it could be a little bit noisy, so I am sorry for those little things in my videos. I am sorry. So I just wanted to talk about this look today. This look is actually, I wanted to do the Charlie Factory, the Charlie Chocolate Factory. The look with the girl that does like the purple bubble gum, and she's like, oh my god, turning purple. I'm gonna insert the clip here.
Her pie and ice cream.
That part.
What's happening to her nose?
Turning blue.
Your whole nose has gone purple.
What do you mean?
Violet, you're turning violet. What's happening?
I was so inspired by it, and I've seen it on, I think her name is I forgot what's her name. Ellis. I'm gonna show you her right now. I had it say. Yeah, her name is Ellie. So Ellie Addis, she's the first one, or at least the one that I've seen that came out with it, and then everyone, started creating. Obviously, it's so beautiful. I've been wanting to do it because it involves paint, but I don't have paint, so we're gonna use current eyeshadows like blues and purples to make that violet color. So I hope you beauties really enjoyed this video. This would be my last look of the Halloween looks. I hope you enjoyed my Halloween series. I mean, I didn't get to do 10, 15, 20, but I think I did like 4 or 5. I'm not too sure, but every year I try to get involved in certain series, like the fall series. Like now we're going to be going into the holiday series after that. Just let me know, comment down below, and I'll get back to you. Turn on your bell notification, subscribe, and like if you like the way that this look will end up coming out. So for right now, we're gonna go into voiceover, only because I just like to, you guys already know I like to talk first and then wait to the end to talk about anything. But right now, for this look, we're just gonna go straight into it, and when we're done, you'll see the final look. So yeah, if you've been on my channel, you know that I just like to go into it. I talk about what I'm doing as an intro, but then I let myself just, do the makeup that I'm doing for you guys, and then we talk from there after. So hi my beautettes. All right, so we're gonna jump right in with this look. I'm gonna use this concealer, the NYX concealer, as a primer so everything can stick and all the colors could show beautifully. I am not using translucent powder. We're just gonna go in right with this nice purple shade. I kind of like to use like light and then dark purples just to give it that nice transition and show the beautiful purples each on top of each other as is layered and blended. Okay, blend, my friend. We're going right there, right on the crease, and we're just gonna blend it out smoothly and also bring it out. If you can see, I'm bringing it out because I like to create a nice, being that this is a Bratz doll look, her cut crease is pretty high, and I love the way her eyes look like in that almond shape. So I'm just gonna create where I see my crease and create it higher, so that it can look as if the same look that she has. Of course, it's not going to be, I tried to. It's not 100% the same, but I really did try to go with this look. I love this look so much. I love getting creative, although I know it's not compared to like any other crazy thousands of looks that I know tons of greatly artists do, but I was pretty happy and good with this and fine with it. And I love this movie as a kid. I don't know about you, but I love the Chocolate Factory, so I had to go on and film this tutorial. So if you recreate this look also, Let me know how it turns out for you guys, or you guys can tag me so I can see it, because it is just so cute and fun, and it's very beginner friendly. So if you're just, you know, starting, you can easily do any eye look with this and just paint your nose the blues and purples to create a violet, or if you have a violet base, you can use that as well. So here I'm just darkening up my crease. As you can see, as I pack on, I'm going in with different color shades of purple from my Coastal Scents palette. It's the 252 Coastal Scent palette. Guys, this palette is over 3 to 4 years. Like this, I had this palette over, I can definitely count 4 years over this palette. Can you believe it? I know. Coastal Scents, if you're seeing this, you know I got you guys. I've started off with them, so I just had to go back and create a throwback look with my throwback palette. As you can see, we are just gonna also keep blending. Once you pack on the purples and the color shades you want to use, you take a clean brush and you start blending everything out and on top of your crease, just as so that you can, you know, have that nice transition. Now we're gonna also go in with the NYX concealer again, and we're gonna cut our crease. Now I'm cutting it to the adjustment of my eye and also the look of the Brat style. So you would obviously do the same according to your eye and how high you would like it. I like it really high because I kind of have a hooded eye a little bit. So for you to see my shadow and for you to see everything, I kind of have to create it. I got to create the crease a little bit higher, but that is okay. We're just going to continue to pack on the beautiful shimmers of this palette. I also use like a lavender lilac like shimmer eyeshadow. Really pretty. I had very fun creating this look, and it came out really good, and I just loved it. So I hope you beautettes love it as well. I'm gonna go out, guys, so you guys can let me know if you ended up liking this recreation. Let me know. This was the last look of my Halloween series, and this is my last Halloween look. I know I tried to have it up for Halloween, which was yesterday, and I had some difficulties, so it is up today. So I love you, beautettes. I hope you enjoy the rest of my video. Please comment down below. You already know, like, subscribe, and I will see you beauties on next tutorial. Love ya. Bye.
You know we are the infinity. Oh,
to her nose?
Turning blue.
Your whole nose has gone purple.
What do you mean?
Violet, you're turning violet. What's happening?
Well, I told you I hadn't quite got it right, because it goes a little funny when it gets to the dessert. It's the blueberry pie that does it.
This is the end of my last Halloween video. At that, I tried to find a violet shirt that I had. This is the only one that I had that's like iridescence and some type of violet, purple, bluish going on. I really tried to recreate more of so of the Barbie, like the Bratz version. So of course, you know, I didn't have the paint, but I used what I had, which was like purple shadows on the Coastal Scents palette. I used my purples, I used my blues, everything to create the violet base and the violet color. And we also did the cut crease. So this is Barbie, well, Bratz doll. Anyways, so if you beautettes loved this, look, this is the last look of the Halloween series. Obviously Halloween's next week, that's it, it's done. And now I'm gonna go on, like I said before, I'm gonna go on with the glam looks and stuff. But anyway, if you beautettes like this video, found it useful, it's just like beginner friendly. You can use what you have, which is your shadows. You know, you don't always have to have paint to create stuff. If that's what you have, you know, I was just so motivated to get this look done and, you know, use shadows because everyone used a lot of paint and I didn't have paint. So I used what I could have used. Thank God it came out all right. It came out good. We used the strobe to create like that Cosmo effect. Like, let me add more. People are like, oh, I'm not doing Halloween, I'm not doing no bloody looks, that's nasty, that's how I used to be. But I got so creative this year and I just wanted to get up like some look for my series for my channel. So if you beautettes, like I said, I'm tired of saying this, but if you beautettes love this look, please give it a thumbs up. Turn on your bell notification so that way you can know when I come out with my videos, And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you like this movie, if you like this look. This is done with eyeshadow, okay, not paint, just FYI, letting you guys know. And I hope you beautettes really enjoyed. I can't wait to see you beautettes on my next tutorial, of course.